Ke motho wa sepe. Ke paletswe ke botshepo. Ndebele Modimo. Ndebele. Gore go sa ntshe. Gore ke o sa ntshe.
For one.
Doctor,
Mama, please calm down. Whoa, ngicela ukuthi ngiyehlise moya sisebenzisane. Uyeta dokotela machisa ngabutonisita. Babe, liyeta lisito nyalo. Uyeta utonisita ngicela ukuthi nilise kancane. Yehlisa moya, yehlisa
umlikazi walethafe kungani ethengisela abantwana bethu utshwala yalifana lethafe yaphele
ayifana vele man.
Don is one of us. He would never betray our children.
Oh, thulani man. Thulani.
Sibhedlela lesakufika lindaba.
Benganashwana nje kule party leya.
Ayikho.
Oh, bazali. Khona uSpike ama-drinks and akusupra Don. Ngiyamazi mina.
Khuluma phansi.
Wani.
Teta!
What the hell were you thinking? Usebenzisa misfortune yabantwana kanje?
Misfortune no. Misbehavior. Abantwana bakaSam bayahamba baya eKasi and paint iKasi red. Banqile and not even show up kwi-exam room. And yonke loo nto leyo i-fault kabani? Kamuzi Mthembu.
Ndicela Musi. Sicela ubanike enye chance.
No. Ndisebenze nzima kakhulu for this legacy. I'd be damned if I lose it now.
Legacy. Musi, what are you talking about? Are you selling your posts to your teachers? Inyani Musi.
Zola, I'm doing it for us.
Who are you?
Zola, I am the man you picked over the drunkard. Now you don't know who I am?
You. Kumtsheni ngamntu umhle lo mntana bena ngathi nguBeyonce. Khamke ngumntana mni. Ngumntana mni nabethu. Kamhle. Yidyani. Wamhle Thixo yidyani. He madoda.
Sebenzile kodwa mntana. Kuyo yonke into oyenzileyo. Uyazi uma ngabana le? Kunumber 1. Funeka sithethe ngoku ngendaba yelobola. Funeka la class sihlale phansi.
Mama ngiyasiduka manje ndiphose i-maths test yami.
Adiba zinde.
Ndiphose i-maths test yami.
Oh, uyiphosile. Yena ndicinga ngayo esibhedlela kwelixesha ngoku uphethe idiamond ngesandla. Uyabona ngoku njengoba umzalele ngitsho indlalifa. Hayi mntana. Xa kucinga ngenye into. Zama ucinga ngenye into. Uyambona umamakho? Hayi mntana micacile into ngabani ikhona into engekho right okanye ufuna yena ungabikho right. Yo. Bantu bala area bazawufa. Ngenjonga bazawuva bevile. Uyabona wena? Kange ngaphumeleli.
Siphazamisa.
I was leaving.
Manyera. Sizocela ithuba lokubhala. Ama-learners aphuze ama-drinks aspikiwe ephathini. It wasn't their fault. Ngikhuluma nje nawe njengamanje. They're in hospital being treated. Abakwazanga ukufika uzobhala.
I'm sorry, but I suppose there's a lensom. One thing I need you to know. Proud of you guys. Your efforts. You're gonna place the same energy with subject izinjazi zayo kulonyambo zayo.
Hawu ndoda, songaze uthule nje ungasho nithi okay, I know you are shy, but ukuthi uthule nje ungasho nithi
Nandi,
wow.
I saw him.
Usenzo. Uspike ngama-drugs lawa athengisayo.
Mboni wami, zobene sana. Samba nawe na.
It's me. You're right about Umuzi. You're right about him. Umuzi uthengise post intentionally. Uzama ukupusha i-maths ne-science so that he can replace his subjects. We need to expose him.
Sure. So now can we?
Yes, Sam. It's we. Ngicela samosebenzisana. We can bring Umuzi down.
Guys, for the Muslims, Adiva. Kopa o tlogele sekhiro o tswa.
Nina futhi. Meneer. Asihambi la ungakasilaleli ukuthi sifuna ukuthini.
You lied to me.
Sir. Iphuze zethu ephathini izolo ebusuku. Zithelwe ipoison. Khona manje kunabantwana basesibhedlela being treated right now.
Had you not gone, none of this would have happened. You should have listened to me.
Sir, Principal Muzi was in Principal Mkwanasi's office the day he died.
What did you say?
I saw him. I just finished at the library and I was on my way home.
Samkuthi umuzi ubulele uMkhwanasi. There's no way.
But, what if Julius was onto him?
And it wouldn't make sense. It wouldn't make sense for umuzi babulala uprincipal. Emva kuba amnanso as successor. We have enough time. We need to act. We need to act.
Yeah, but we're gonna go to in Inspector. No. You take Nkuli and Nandi to Inspector Matondo. I've got something important I have to do.
Senzo! Yini into yenzayo? Yini into yenzayo la kwaMsenzo? Udodweni nowenzayo? Angiyakubuza ukuthi udodweni nowenzayo.
Cela please ngicela ungabulali vibe yami.
Ivibe yani uzibulala wena? Bulawa yimi bulawa ile nto oyidlayo. Why basenzo ungenza so? Why ungenza so?
Makhosi.
Why ungenza so?
Si makhosi wami omuhle wathi sibongqongqoze emagumbini abantu kulala before.
Mina ngithi uyakhala khona into ekuvelele kanti uvelele oyinododi. Ngqongqoze kanjani?
Please.
Masenzo uyangenza wena.
Uzothatha le way le ndlela ongena ngayo la. Uphume ngayo le dlama.
Ngiyacela maka bufuna impilo yakho iphelele kwahell qhubeka ngale nto yenzayo qhubeka ngale nto yenzayo sizoba yesenzo bazakuthola intanga yakho ngiyakutshela
Hola
Ekesari boy. Masha la ukhona njengamanje. Le ntwana lo uzakhela iqeda ukubetray la isibhedlela njengamanje. And abazali baze lapho njengamanje mfethu. Masha. Abazali bayeza lapho Masha ndoda njengamanje.
Olethi.
Yini?
Ngizodinga imoto.
Imoto unje?
Ya ngizodinga imoto.
Imoto usiyozibulala unje? Bulala imoto yami uzibulale nawe.
Ngiyaphuthuma Olethi.
Iphile le
imoto.
Hayi.
Ngibulale mina. Yazi Olethi. Bazongibulala mina.
Uzobulawa yini nto yenza ngitheno? Uzosibulala ngithi.
Let us key. Yabona wena makhosi. Uzokulimaza yazi.
It's obvious you've been working with Muzi. Stay loyal to him, then go down with him. The police are on their way to arrest him for Julius's death.
Awungitshela. Cabanga ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani mangingasukuma la ngitshele laba bakuphethe ngalamanyala beni wayenza lapha esikoleni.
What do you want?
Absalom.
Bafo, shubile. Amaphoyisa asendleleni.
Oh shit.
Yabona Douglas mntana ekugqibeleni saze nathi saba lusapho inhle into oyenzileyo. Besihlekwa kule nto umntaka ba kuthiwa hey umntaka Brenda ungumntana egrant uze negrant.
Andikho ready.
Andivanga sisi.
Andikho ready for uba inkosikazi yakho. Or anyone's wife for that matter.
Hayibo mamakhe ukhathele ukhonisa ukukhathala mamakhe awuwazi ukuthi ungaphela usho into enjalo manje.
Ngaphandle kokudinwa wena Chaklas kaloku kukho lento abayibiza nge-trauma syndrome nepain mhlambe
Ndizobuyela esikolweni.
Oh.
And ndibuyela esikolweni nje ndizoba yiyo i-chartered accountant. Andikhathele nokuba uthini. And andizoyeka nabani na ukuba zama unityhafisa. Okanye zama unibeka kwi-level yakhe.
Awanda uthetha nge-level kabani? Ngoba kaloku xa ithetha nge-level into endingayivisisiyo loo nto. Kodwa ke ndicela uthetha nawe mntana wam. Uyayazi into yoba ngabana bangaphi abalapha esitratweni amabhinqakazi anqwenela into yoba ngabana umntu ofana noChaklas ayonkqonkqoza emakhaya kuwo.
Andikhathalelanga loo nto mama. Andikhathalelanga. Ndisafuna uphuma phandle, ndikhe ndiyo-explora, ndikhe ndibone into yoba ilizwe lindiphathele ntoni mna.
Ndiyakuva mna Chaklas kawukuthethe naye mhlawumbi kaloku mna xa ndithetha naye ndingunina ingene left iyophuma right.
Mama lalela awucabange kahle le nto esho yes cabangisisa kahle ngiyakuthanda mina angitshela ngiyakuthanda.
Oh sizawulilela imizuzu umntaka ba.
Nami ndiyakuthanda Chaklas. But ingxaki yapha is that right now I love myself so much more. I'm sorry. Oh. Mama sesigqibe ndisithathayo esi. Andinethemba.
Uyamthatha ke ngokumamiliyo. Uzandisupporta. Umsabi ngokumamiliyo.
Kanika ibhotile yakhe.
Yakangonzo. Yazi Chaklas ndiyifila ngathi khona into eyenziwe esibhedlele kulaa mntana lo wawa. Kodwa sukhathazeka ngizawuthetha nawe yekanyana.
Thetha naye mina.
Ngoba ndiyawubona uba ikhona inetwork wena engabambiyo apha kulo mntu. Enye into xa uqala uba nomntana kubakho into ziyabamba ziyayeka sukhathazeka. Themba lakho malilale.
Uyabona ukuthi labantu bafikile lapha.
Washa keke. Nakukhona la phuthuma khona.
Bathi uzongibani ke lapha? Come on.
Sasebenza.
Dead.
It hasn't been easy, but here we are. I'm proud of all of you. Now I want you to show that paper who's boss. Happy writing, folks.